scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Aggregate supply curves can be tricky, but we will master this concept in seconds. Let us find out why the short-run curve slopes upward. The short-run aggregate supply curve shows the relationship between the total price level and the quantity of output firms produce. We must focus on how input costs behave here. When the aggregate price level rises, output prices increase quickly while input prices like wages stay fixed. This happens because contracts and menu costs make these specific input prices sticky. Consequently, firms are incentivized to produce more because their profit margins expand. This makes option C the correct choice for our supply curve slope. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid the rush and watch signs. Trust given facts and check your steps.